My name is Shane Needham. I started way back when. I have a bachelor's degree in chemistry from Washington State University and a PhD from the University of Rhode Island, where I worked on developing novel stationary phases for LCMS. Simultaneously, while I was working on my PhD, I actually worked at the Bioanalytical Mass Spec group in Pfizer at Groton, Connecticut, from the year 1993 to the year 2000. And so simultaneously, I was working at Pfizer, and then I was also doing my PhD research. In the year 2000, I graduated and I had an opportunity to start actually a CRO, Alturas Analytics. So that was 21 years ago, and I started that CRO and several other scientific organizations since then. And my return on investment of those organizations has been 70,000% in over 20 years.
Hi, my name is Mitch Johnson. I earned a bachelor's degree in chemistry from Monmouth College and a PhD in analytical chemistry from the University of Missouri. My dissertation work was primarily focused on LC-MS analysis geared towards agricultural products. And then after graduation since 2017, I've held senior level bioanalytical and DMPK roles in the pharmaceutical, CRO, and biotech industry.
Well, it's my passion for science and people and leading people. And I'm always looking for opportunities. Ever since I worked on that first LCMS, serial number 1 at Pfizer of SCIEX, serial number 1 SCIEX API 3 MS, I've just been very excited to do bioanalytical work to support pharma and biopharma industry. And so I'm always looking for opportunities, and the opportunity to start another CRO came my way, and to start another CRO with the right people that have integrity and trust and the background and experience of what I'm calling our dream team, I absolutely couldn't pass it up. And so I have the opportunity to start this from the ground up with all the experience that I've learned from my past organizations. And we're really, really looking forward to what the future holds for us.
Yeah, so I started my career in the CRO industry, and just right from the beginning, I just had a passion for it. I really liked working with the sponsors. I liked the business aspect of the CRO. I loved the hustle and the pace of it, something new every day. And so in the back of my head, when I was starting out, I kind of always had this dream that one day I would, start my own organization and really be a founder and just a thought leader and something special and develop something new. And so basically, I've always wanted to be an entrepreneur and start my own lab. And really founding Veloxity was a combination of that motivation, but also just some newly formed relationships and partnerships with our dream team, and really capitalizing on this opportunistic ecosystem right now is very rich to start a lab. So really, we're focusing on partnerships, but at the core, we're going to be performing bioanalysis of all shapes and sizes. Specifically, we're going to be measuring the concentration of drugs, metabolites, biomarkers, and biological fluids. However, one of our core values is being 100% employee owned and operated. So all of our employees will be invested in the company, and we'll always be able to focus on our clients' needs.
I really want to follow up with what Mitch said. He has the technical details so correct, and being an employee-owned CRO is very important to us. And my role as CEO and president of Veloxity Labs is to make sure we maintain our vision and our mission of our organization. And our vision is our why, is our purpose. And I think I'm so grateful that we get to be, as a biological lab, part of that treating disease, helping to cure disease. And so our vision is to treat disease one sample at a time. Now, how do we do that? What's our mission to accomplish that vision? That's very important as well. And I think it's very important to create a climate that's fun and professional to work in. It should be a fun climate. We develop methods for our pharma partners, for our biopharma partners. We work with the latest technological advances with LCMS. It should be fun. So coming to work every day should be something that we actually enjoy. And so to achieve that vision, I want to create a fun, professional, employee-owned and operated CRO that under-promises and over-delivers. And we'll talk about that more in a minute. What does that under-promise and over-deliver mean? It means that what we say is what we do. And that is rare in our industry. So we really want to under-promise and over-deliver and manage those expectations. And we focus on our core competency of LCMS to meet those goals. And our team has over 100 years of experience in the biological industry. That is unique and unheard of. Not only is it unique and unheard of to start an employee-owned CRO from the ground up like this, but it's also unique to found a company with over 100 years of experience in the bioanalytical industry. And we're just super excited, and the future is very bright for us.
So most of the organizations that we're going to be partnering with are typically small and emerging biopharma and pharma companies, and they typically don't have this bioanalytical expertise and capability in-house anymore. A lot of this has kind of shifted, this paradigm has shifted to now the CROs are now, they have the thought leaders in the bioanalytical space. This is where the expertise lies. So being a thought leader and helping these companies really solve problems and advance their programs further to one day potentially being a therapeutic really keeps me motivated. And also in the CRO space, you're typically challenged to work with new paradigms and new modalities, antibody drug conjugates, and immuno-oncology therapies. There's so many things that are surfacing, and it's evergreen. And typically you're being tasked with solving a problem that nobody's solved before. And this is on a day-to-day basis. So it's a really exciting and dynamic environment to come to work every day.
I just want to echo what Mitch said technically. I mean, to work on ADCs, to work on oligonucleotides, to work on biomarkers, to work on MABs, all those, they're challenging. To work on small molecules, all these are challenging programs, and to watch them succeed and be a part of that success is just incredible. And it's something that I'm really grateful for. The bigger picture is, what do I find is most rewarding of being part of a CRO is that, especially in founding it yourself and being an entrepreneur, I'm a serial entrepreneur, is I get to live the American dream continually. And it's awesome to come up with these opportunities, and opportunity begets opportunity. And I think that's very, very exciting for me. And to be an employee-owned organization where our employees will get rewarded when our lab is rewarded, but also they'll be very focused on the client. They'll be very focused on the client because they have skin in the game, so to speak. So they want the project to succeed just as much as anybody else, because the more the project succeeds, the more that they are rewarded. And I think that's just a huge benefit to our laboratory. And I really look forward to mentoring and guiding and watching our whole team grow. I love that leadership aspect of it. And just the team that we've put together, to watch them gel and just to be so grateful to be on the team. I'm just very thankful to be a part of it and live it again.
So excellent customer service from day one. I know firsthand that there are not enough high quality, responsive, and flexible service providers out there. And so to address those challenges, we've pulled together a well-respected team full of industry veterans, and we've established a laboratory here in the Midwest. So from inception, Veloxity will be close to 100% electronic, and we're utilizing some next generation BioA reporting software. It's incredible. I mean, just the amount of time for QC that it reduces and manual transcription and errors. It's going to allow us to continue to produce the highest quality data in a fraction of the time compared to our current competitors.
And really, when you think about the value triangle, what is it? It's speed, quality, and price. And what's unique about an employee-owned CRO and the team that we put together, we can offer all three of those. And because of some of the things that Mitch is talking about, because of our nearly fully automation documentation management system from first client contact to all the way to invoicing, we are able to, and bioanalytical reporting, we are able to reduce timelines for our clients. And that's the most important thing in this industry. The further and the quicker that we can move a program, the faster we can help move a program forward, the better it is for all stakeholders. And we're excited about that. We're excited to be the first, we're excited to be privately owned. That's very important because we can focus on the long-term relationships with our clients and not those immediate monthly Wall Street returns that a lot of our competitors have to focus on. And being employee-owned is going to allow our employees to give that gold medal service to our clients like no other CRO can. And we're excited to disrupt the industry.